Yasu, my beautiful people, which also means hello in Greek. And why is that? Because we're in Athens, Greece, at the foothills of Acropolis. For those of you who don't know, Acropolis basically means the highest city, which is why it's situated on a hill. And we got a long walk and a lot of beautiful places to see. We bought our passes today. I'll include the prices down below, but it basically came out to $70 to $80 for 2 people, and I'll have a list of the places somewhere on the screen. So the Acropolis we see today is associated with the golden age of Athens. This is a tribute to Athena, the goddess, the patron of this city. As we go along, we'll disperse more information and we'll find out what exactly Acropolis has to offer. Let's get into it. So first thing I noticed starting this hike is the floor. It's extremely slippery. It feels like you're walking on marble. Thankfully it's not raining today, or else we'd be having a bad day. It's beautiful. We finally made it in. We made it in exactly around 3 o'clock, the time of our appointment. It's currently a Saturday and it's packed. Around 2:30 there was a line forming up, and we ended up getting at the back of the line, but people for our time slot have been going up this whole time. And with this October weather, it is still hot even though it's October. It's cloudy. I can't imagine doing this in July, so I would plan accordingly. Make sure to wear sunscreen too. So now we're at the Odeon of Rhodes Atticus, which was built by a wealthy aristocrat for his wife for special musical events. It is 79 meters squared and can seat up to 6,000 spectators, and the seats are made out of full marble. Check it out. So here it is, the Theater of Dionysus. It looks crazy. The construction kind of takes away from it, I'm not gonna lie. But aside from that, it looks absolutely incredible. It is massive. That is so high up. But I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit of a walk from here. From the main entrance to get to here, you're gonna be walking. And if you're coming in July or August, be ready. Get that sunscreen and drink a lot of water. The Theater of Dionysus is considered to be the birthplace of theater and Western drama. Isn't that crazy? That's where it all started. Now we got Netflix. First part was pretty steep and I am sweating. I don't know if the camera captured it well, but we still got a ways to go. I need some water. If he comes take her off, So pro tips, if you care about the history, get a guide. If you don't care for it, don't pay the extra money. And bring extra waters. Check this out, right before making it to the top, you get one of the most insane views. You can see the Mediterranean Sea. All right, let's go. So we made it to the entrance to the summit, and this is one of the craziest views I've ever seen in my life. It was definitely worth the hike. So the truth is, whenever a new group starts, is it gets packed. God damn. That's a lot of people. So now everyone's waiting for their picture. I'm gonna have a seat on these steps until it chills out and wait to see what happens from there. The Propylaea is the grand entrance to the Acropolis in Athens. Built in the 5th century BCE during the Golden Age of Athens. Designed by the architect Menesicles, it's a stunning blend of Doric and Ionic styles, intended to impress important visitors with its massive columns and dramatic architecture. Interestingly, it was never fully completed due to the Peloponnesian War, yet it stands still as a symbol of resilience. Legend has it that the Propylaea once struck by lightning but remained intact, showcasing its strength over time. This monumental getaway wasn't just a passageway. Inside, it housed rooms like the Pinacotheki, an early art gallery, despite wars and damage, making it one of the most iconic structures of ancient Greece. So we made it to the top, to Pantheon. So fun fact about it, it was built in a way to create the illusion of being perfect, and throughout the ages it was different colors to include blue and yellow, and it served very different purposes. The Parthenon, built in just 9 years, is a masterpiece of Doric architecture dedicated to Athena, and once housed a colossal gold and ivory statue of her by sculptor Phidias. Throughout its history, it has served as a temple, Christian church, and mosque. In 1687, it suffered significant damage from an explosion while used as gunpowder storage. Despite this, the Parthenon remains an iconic symbol of ancient Greece, celebrated for its architectural excellence and cultural significance. Its friezes depict mythological scenes at the Pantheonic procession. The temple has inspired many buildings worldwide and is currently undergoing restoration to preserve its legacy for future generations. The Erechtheion is famous for its caryatides, the beautiful statues of women that serve as columns. It features an asymmetrical design built to honor both Athena and Poseidon, marking their legendary contest for Athens. Near the temple is a spot where Athena is said to have planted the city's first olive tree, while Poseidon's trident mark can be seen inside. The temple is named after mythical king Erechtheus, who was believed to have been buried there. Additionally, the Erechtheion housed the sacred relics of Athena, making it a vital religious site. Although the caryatides you see today are replicas, 5 of the originals are preserved in the Acropolis Museum, and the 6th is displayed in the British Museum. This blend of mythology and history makes the Erechtheion a unique symbol of ancient Athenian culture. It's truly incredible to see a building this old still standing, and the surrounding views is just one of a kind. I definitely recommend you guys check this out. Also check out all the other videos I'm making about Greece, and stay tuned for next week. Peace. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out the rest of the content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.